Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox the new Hoco Mini wireless Bluetooth earbud model E54. Okay, now you will see on the front view and on the back you will see it's a earbud inside this one. And now just take it out from the box and then take it out. Instruction manual, warranty card, power cable. This is for replacement in your ear and some accessory. And we find this Hoco Mini earbud. Okay, and this side is the charging cable. Take it out, you will see the connection port, and you will see the model E54, and you can just press here. And now the battery is empty. I need to charge it first. Okay, now when it's charging you will see the red lights appear on the charging. So let's leave it on charge and then we will set up it again. Okay, after charge it, now you need to turn on the earbud. Press and hold the button for about 3 seconds until you can see the lights appearing. And now it's in the pairing mode, and you will find it Hoco E54. Now connect it. Until it's connected you will see the light. Now just disappear blinking from your earbud. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the unboxing Hoco Mini E54 Bluetooth earbud. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.